The Temple and the Body, Vachana, written by Basavanna. About Basavanna, he was a great social reformer who strove to build a new social order free from caste, class, and orthodoxy. He was the leader of the medieval religious movement, Veerashaivism, of which the Kannada Vachanas are the most important text. If one were to choose a single poem to represent the whole extraordinary body of religious lyrics called the Vachanas, one cannot do better than choose the above poem of Basavanna. It dramatized several of the themes and opposition characters of the movement called Veerashaivism. Let me recite the poem. The rich will make temples for Shiva. What shall I, a poor man, do? My legs are pillars, the body the shrine, the head a couple of gold. Listen, O Lord of the meeting rivers, things standing shall fall, but the moving ever shall stay. Meanings: Kapala, a small rounded dome which is observed in the temple. Things standing, the solid, unmoving temple. The moving, it refers here human beings. Lord of the meeting rivers, Basavanna's chosen deity Lord Shiva at Kudala Sangama. The rich will make temples for Shiva. What shall I, a poor man, do? The poem starts with the class distinction between the poor and the rich communities. The question, what shall I, poor man, do, is metaphorical. The answer lies in the second stanza. My body itself is the temple, where the poet, poor man, proclaims how he too can accomplish what the rich man can. The poet speaks figuratively of building a temple with his body, the legs being the pillars, and the head being the golden tower. According to the poet, the physical temple is an immobile, whereas his body temple is mobile and remains with him wherever he goes. He feels that his temple will not perish unlike the physical one made out of the earthly materials. He says the spiritual soul is everlasting and the body which is made as a holy shrine has an immense value. One should be able to see God in this temple of one's body. Shiva, one of the important gods of the Hindus, is nicknamed as Lord of the Meeting Rivers by Basavanna in this poem. This poem can be constructed from both political and spiritual angles. Basavanna's involvement in politics can be seen predominantly in his dream for an equalitarian society. The Vachanas can be read as polemic piece which highlight the equal power between the rich and the downtrodden in the eyes of the god. The poet brings his ideas of spirituality emerges from this well-known Vachana. Here he tells that rich people may build a big temple and it can be destroyed in one day. But in the sense of the poor man, he offers his whole body which he compares to the temple by saying, as I said earlier, his two legs are the pillars of temple and a human body a shrine where the soul resides just like the idol in a temple. The head, which is the cupola of the human body, is like the tower of the temple. He then calls God, saying that things or the structures can fall, but the soul, which is pure, which is moving from the body one to another, cannot fall or be destroyed. These are the ideas of spirituality that are given by the Vachana. In Kannada version, dear students, ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಶಿವಾಲಯವ ಮಾಡುವರು ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಲಯ್ಯ ಬಡವನಯ್ಯ ಎನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇ ಕಂಬ ದೇಹವೇ ದೇಗುಲ ಶಿರವೇ ಹೊನ್ನ ಕಳಸವಯ್ಯ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ ಕೇಳಯ್ಯ ಸ್ಥಾವರಕ್ಕಳಿವುಂಟು ಜಂಗಮಕ್ಕಳಿವಿಲ್ಲ. Thank you, dear students.